You want to stand out? Wear neon. You want your gifts to stand out this holiday season? You wrap them so the recipient does a double take. Hey everyone, thanks for clicking and welcome to Katie Fehlinger DIY. If we're just meeting, it's nice to meet you. I'm Katie, and on this channel, I show you all sorts of tutorials, techniques, and ideas like you'll see in this video, all to help you make your home your happiest place. So if that sounds intriguing, consider subscribing for new content every Thursday, and you can also ring the bell to get notified when new videos go up. So last Christmas, I went the surefire route of giving gift cards to my niece and nephews, but I really think it's nice for people to have a gift that they can unwrap. At least that was something that I always appreciated, so I decided to get creative with how I presented said gift cards. And today, I'm showing you 3 totally unique ways to do this. And by the way, these methods don't apply strictly to gift cards, so stay tuned to the end for a few bonus ways that you can utilize these ideas for different gifts that you might be giving. Okay, here they are. Idea number 1, the balloon pop. For this wrapping technique, you'll simply need a balloon and a Sharpie. So write a message on the balloon first, keeping in mind that this will expand when you eventually blow it up. So your lettering can be small, and also make sure that you let the ink dry completely before you move on to the next step. It'll smudge very easily otherwise. Okay, once the ink is dry, just start to stretch out the balloon, particularly around the top. So I'm doing this to make it a little easier for the next step, which is to insert my gift card. So very carefully, I'm going to stretch the balloon opening around the gift card and shimmy it down into the base. Once it's all the way in, just blow up the balloon, tie it off, and there you have it. Now, I packaged this with some festive tissue paper in a box and then wrapped that up like a regular present. You could even supply a pin within the box. Just make sure that you wrap that safely so your recipient doesn't prick themselves, but also so it doesn't accidentally pop your hard work. All right, moving on to gift wrapping idea number 2, and that is to turn your gift into a ball of yarn. Basically a cat toy. So I did this for my nephew last Christmas, and everyone actually got a kick out of it. So you need a decent amount of yarn for this. You certainly don't need a full skein, but a ball of yarn, I'd say the size of a baseball, should be plenty. So take the end of your ball of yarn and pin it down to the gift card with your finger. And then just start wrapping the card with the yarn, alternating direction, and making sure that you cover up the entire gift card. If you used a big enough ball of yarn, this shouldn't be too difficult. And if you have more yarn than you need, just snip off a tail when you feel that you've adequately covered and wound the yarn around your gift. Then you'll take that tail and simply tuck it back into the yarn to secure it. Now, a word to the wise, this is a labor-intensive exercise. It'll take you a good handful of minutes to wrap, and it actually takes time for the recipient to unravel too. So be wary of using this method on impatient relatives or someone who might get frustrated easily. That's my PSA. But guys, this is actually really similar to the process I used to make an entire wreath of yarn balls. Now, I have a video tutorial if you're interested in checking that out, which I'll link up here and in the description. But guys, that was my first video that I ever posted to this channel, so please be kind. And finally, gift wrapping idea number 3, frame it. Now, if you're anything like me, you have some unused picture frames sitting around. So why not upcycle them as unique gift presentation? I did this for another of my nephews. Now, even if you don't have spare frames sitting around, Walmart or any hobby store will have these really inexpensive. Just keep in mind that you could also make the frame part of the gift. So that's also an option. But this is pretty simple to put together. Just place the gift card down first against the glass, cut out a piece of festive wrapping paper to size, and attach the back of the frame. It's easy peasy and you're done. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, you're not relegated to using these gift wrapping ideas strictly for gift cards. So here's that bonus tip that I had mentioned. You can use these ideas for cash, concert tickets, lottery tickets, a special Christmas message, or a note. There are a lot of ideas from which you can branch out and still pull these off. But now you've got 3 unique ways to present what may be an otherwise sort of unimaginative gift. So a question for you. Which of these gift wrapping ideas is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And guys, I put together a huge list of ways to spend time with family leading up to the holiday, and also a ton of stocking stuffers if you're still searching for ideas. The link to grab that is down in the description. Now, if you are into all things DIY like me, I'd love to have you join my creator community. It's where I share content that's exclusive to that group, and the link to sign up is down in the description. Meanwhile, if you liked this video, let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your fellow DIY loving friends. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you're notified when new videos go up every Thursday. Also, in between videos, stay in touch with me. I'm on all the social channels. They are all listed below, and I really always love hearing from you. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep creating your happy place, and I'll see you next Thursday. Which eye should I wink? Which eye doesn't make me look crazy? Hey everyone, thanks for clicking and welcome to what's my name? Last Christmas I gave all gift cards, but the very next day it says I don't know. What? All right, Laura Mercier, do your thing. This year, to save me from tears, where the heck is my script at? Okay. What? I'm literally sitting on my hands. I'm so cold. Oh my God. And wound the yarn around. Yeesh. Frame it. Frame it. Awesome. It's a fuzzy flying around. These methods don't apply strictly to gift cards. Bloopers are strong with this one.